all you cool cats and kittens, it's me, Ashleigh. Had to be done once. Okay, so today, guys, I have got for you an unboxing of Lookfantastic's beauty box. So yes, I have this month's beauty box from Lookfantastic. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. It arrived a couple of days ago, but I kind of left it with all the corona stuff going on at the minute. I'm trying to leave post for a few days before I go through it. So yeah, I'm going to open this with you guys and show you what I've got inside. My hair today is looking a little more minty, a little lighter now. I think the blue's kind of going, but you know, I'm enjoying it. It's different. Every time I wash my hair, I have a different hair colour. Okay, so the Lookfantastic Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. You can sign up for just 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months, I think. I signed up for 12 months in January, and that means I get it a little bit cheaper. So I believe I pay £13 a month for mine, but you can get it, like I say, monthly. It might be about 15. Okie dokie, so without further ado then, let's get this month's open. Okay. So inside is our beauty box, and this month is purple. It's a beautiful, like, lilac-y, lavendery purple. It's really pretty. I love the Lookfantastic boxes. I haven't really put them to use yet. I'm kind of storing them in my wardrobe, and I'm thinking when I eventually get around to this beauty room, I know I talk about it all the time. When I eventually get around to it, I think I might use them as like storage. So I really like these. I think they're super useful. Okay, so let's open it up, and inside we should get a little Lookfantastic magazine that tells us a little bit about the products and things. If I can open the box. Come on, Ashleigh. Here we go. And yes, here we do. And inside there's usually a nice little message. On this one it says, "Hello spring, we missed you." We certainly did. It's nice to finally have some nicer weather and things. Okay, and then inside is our little beauty book thing that tells us about our box. So it says this one's theme is spring. Spring has officially sprung, which means warmer days, lighter mornings and flowers in bloom. This April, our spring box is centered around brightening skincare, rejuvenating body care and colourful cosmetics. Things to help you feel radiant and beautiful. That sounds like a really nice thing to have. So inside then, we get our products in kind of nicely wrapped in tissue, which I always end up ripping. It's always really nicely presented, the Lookfantastic boxes. And then inside, here's a quick sneak peek at our products, but I will go through them one by one and read you the information that's in this little booklet. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. This one was our sneak peek in last month's box, and it is a Bella Pierre eyeshadow palette. So this is apparently worth £28.99. So we've got a heck of a lot of value already for something that I've already paid £13 for. This is worth double, well, over double. So fab. Okay, so this says inside, with 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade inside, this Bella Pierre eyeshadow palette exclusively launching to Lookfantastic in this month's beauty box. It is the perfect springtime addition to your makeup bag. It's weightless, which it is. It's really light. It's super blendable, and it's the perfect size for traveling. And it also has a handy mirror inside. It says, blend the matte shade all over your eyelid and then add 1 or more shimmer shades to add a bit of extra sparkle. Okay, so let's open that up because I didn't see last month what was inside. Okay, so we do have a little mirror, which I won't blind you with. And then we have a lovely orangey matte, I believe that's the matte shade, an orangey shade. Wow, it's a bit brighter than I was expecting. And we've got a lovely kind of golden champagne-y tone. We have a sparkly kind of orange. Yeah, lovely. And then like a kind of sparkly, dark, bronzy, reddy tone. So that is a really nice kind of size palette, and you get like a good amount of each eyeshadow. And it is, like it says, it's really weightless and kind of handy for traveling. So that's a really, really nice one to have. So let's move on and see what's next. Okay, so the next one, according to the book, is this Erno Laszlo. Yeah, funny little writing on the book. So this one is a Hydrophil skin supplement, and it is worth £5.58. We get 15 mils in here. So it says this calming toner is perfect for dry and sensitive skin. Formulated to hydrate and repair your complexion after cleansing, with a blend of active humectants. God, I Why can't I speak today? Really sorry. It boosts cell renewal and encourages soft and supple skin. And to use it, you simply swipe over the skin using a cotton pad or apply directly with hands, patting into the face. So that's a super cute little mini size, I think. But if it's worth £5, you still get a fair amount in there. So yeah, that's another handy one. I've got quite a lot of toners from Lookfantastic recently, I think. It's fine, they're always handy. It's a part of my skincare that I do use. So, and I like these little travel sizes for if we're going away. I know nobody's going away anywhere at the minute, but for when I do, hopefully sometime this year, maybe, or next year. Okay, so moving on, our next product is this one, and it is Ameliorite, I believe is how you're pronouncing it. We know I'm not the best with pronunciations, but that's the brand. And it is a transforming body lotion. It has 30 ml in here and it is worth £4. And it says, especially formulated with keratosis pilaris, the dry bumpy skin often found on the back of your arms. This rich moisturiser uses lactic acid to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal renewed, soft, healthy skin, and it is dermatologically approved, or dermatologist approved. It says to apply daily, massaging into the skin. I know what they mean by that. I don't really have that so much. I know some people do. But not super useful, you know, body cream. It's never going to go amiss. Okay then, moving on to the next thing according to the book is this product from Star Skin. This is something we're going to be able to use in Face Mask Friday. So let's read the little write-up. So this sheet mask is worth £9. It is 100% Camellia 2-step oil sheet mask. It says, get your glow back with this Star Skin facial sheet mask. A dual part treatment that effectively targets dull, dry skin to soothe and restore natural radiance. Pure camellia seed oil nourishes and softens, whilst the niacinamide, mulberry bark extract and peony root infused sheet mask replenishes moisture and brings a healthy, luminous complexion. You use on dry, cleansed skin. You break open step 1, which is the oil capsule, and then you massage into the face, and then follow with step 2, which is the mask, and then you leave on for 15 minutes, remove and pat in any remaining oils. That sounds fab. Star Skin, I don't think is a brand I've tried, but I've heard really good things about. So I'm really glad to try that. It's Korean top innovation leading ingredients in there. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try this on a Face Mask Friday, so look out for that. I know I've got a stack, so bear with me if I don't get to that super quickly, but I definitely will be giving it a go. Okie dokie then, next we have something from Minitan, I don't know, and it is a coffee scrub. So this is worth £9.95 and we get 30 grams in here. So the little write-up about this says, give yourself a full caffeine kick from head to toe with this exfoliating body scrub. Made from freshly ground coffee as well as an array of natural ingredients, this scrub will remove dry, flaky skin to leave you feeling fresh, soft, with a more even skin tone. And to use, you apply a liberal amount all over the face and body, whilst in the shower, massaging in circular motions. Okie dokie, so I've heard good things about coffee scrubs. I think they're becoming quite popular. So this is definitely something I'd be intrigued to try. Feeling it through the packet, I know it sounds really stupid. It doesn't feel like very rough and grainy, but I'm sure it'll do its thing. It must be more of a gentle scrub, which is perfect. Okay then, moving on to our last item in this month's box, we have some tweezers from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. These are worth £8. They are slanted tweezers. I think they're going to be pink by the look of it. It says these high quality stainless steel tweezers allow for precise and effortless brow maintenance. We all need that at the moment with our beauty shops closed. It says to use, you just tweeze hairs in the direction of hair growth, preferably after showering for best results. I think we all know that type of how to use a tweezer. I have a fair few in my bathroom cabinet. I'm not gonna lie. I have kind of go-to pairs and things, but I have like a little like pot, you know, like a toothbrush holder thing that I keep some of like my brushes and things that I put on my face mask with, and I have these just kind of dotted around the outside. So these will be a nice addition. These are pink. They feel like they're good, tough tweezers. So yeah, they'll definitely go in my little stash. Okie dokie guys, so that was everything in this month's box. I'm really happy with it. I think we've definitely got our money's worth this month. I mean, the eyeshadow palette alone is worth almost £30, which is over double what I've paid for the entire box. So the eyeshadow palette, I think I can use. There's some really pretty tones in there. Definitely going to use that face mask on Face Mask Friday coming soon. Might not use this tone straight away, but I will actually use it. The body lotion, not like perfectly tailored to me, but it's something useful to have. The tweezers are never going to go amiss, and I'm quite looking forward to trying the coffee scrub. So I'm really pleased with this month's box, and the box itself, actually, I'm really happy with that because it's super pretty. Okay, so before we go, I will show you the sneak peek on the back of the book. So if you don't want to see it, look away now. I'm going to spoil it for you. Okay, so the sneak peek on the back of this month's box is for May. I can't believe we're at May already. It sounds bonkers that that's going to be the next box. Wow. Okie dokie. So the sneak peek for May is this Avant, and it is an ultimate hyaluronic acid and resurfacing duo moisturizer. I love hyaluronic acid. It's very moisturizing. It's fab. Apparently, this is worth £100. What? So it's designed for use both day and night. It's age-defying resurfacing cream is one of Avant's bestsellers apparently. It's got signature ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, shea butter and sweet almond oil, which tightens the skin and restores moisture for a younger looking complexion. That sounds fab. So I'm definitely looking forward to next month's box, and I'm really looking forward to trying the things that I got in this month's box. So I think I've actually done really well this month. I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've got it and if you're happy. Let me know if there's any products you want to hear about. Obviously, I'm going to try that face mask in Face Mask Friday. That's without a question. So guys, if you've liked the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you could remember to subscribe if you haven't already, it would be fabulous to have you here. I'm trying to keep videos up as much as possible during this crazy time in the world. Just something to kind of take our minds off of things. So yeah, until next time guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.